Okay, so I'm going to go over the warm-up from today. And I picked these two problems because from the readiness assessment, these were actually the two most missed questions across all my classes. These were at I think like 18% correct and 20% correct. So they're both pretty low, which actually surprised me. So these are asking you which of these is a solution. So in this case, you have 4 points, and you're just checking to see which ones make this actually true. This is what I pretty much just call a plug and chug style question. And I'm probably just use a calculator for this because it's going to be a quick way, but you don't really need to. So I would just try these points. Remember, these are an x and a y value. So that's your x, that's your y. And I'm just going to substitute it in and see if it works in the equation. So if I take this equation, so the y is 1. So I'm looking to see if it equals 1. So I'm going to put in 3 minus 2. And then I got to do quantity squared, like so. And actually, in this case, that just is the answer because we see that that gave us 1, and that's our y, and that's what we're looking for. So A is just the answer in your first question here. Nothing crazy. And at that point, only one of them is a solution. We don't need to check these other ones. We could if you wanted to. If you want to go through and plug these in, you'll see that none of these actually equal out to the correct y value. So that's it. So the first one there's A. This question, same idea. The only difference really is the equation is the x and y are on the same side. So when you go to put those in, now we're just looking to see which one equals 4. So if I try this first one again, remember these are x and y values. So I'm going to do 2 times 0, which you don't actually have to plug in, but you can. Minus 4. And we see pretty clearly that doesn't equal 4. It equals negative 4. So that one's not your answer. And so you just run down the list now until you find the one that is. So now I'm going to do 2 times 1 minus 2, which is going to be 0 and not 4. Boom, again, not correct. Next one, same thing, 2 times the negative 3 minus a negative 10. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it in as plus 10. And that one is correct because you see that one does equal the 4 that you're looking for. So in this case, we end up getting C. And that's it.